Solomon Neuhardt here to talk about mistake number 4 in a personal injury case: failure to preserve information and evidence and get witnesses' information. When you are injured in an accident of any kind, it's important to gather and keep as much evidence and information as quickly as possible. The more witnesses, documentation, videotapes, pictures, etc. that you have regarding your case, the better chances you have at winning a good settlement or getting a good verdict in your case. The evidence needed to support the injuries in your case is going to vary according to what type of case you have. In cases of severe food poisoning, for example, your medical records will be important, as well as any reports from local health agencies and information from the restaurant. An attorney on your behalf will send a letter to a restaurant asking them to reserve any information related to the food poisoning. Relevant information in a nursing home neglect case would include documentation of medical records, medical bills, any witnesses to the potential neglect, reports from the state where the nursing home is located, and evidence or statements from any witnesses at the nursing home. It's important, even if you're in a minor accident, that you obtain the witnesses' information. You may not realize that you've been seriously injured in the case until later on. If the police were called in an accident, it's important that you obtain a copy of the police report as soon as possible, and any notes from the officer related to the accident. Most large police agencies have reports stored online where you can easily access them. There might be a small fee, but it can be accessed. It's important to write down any notes possible about the accident that you can remember, either immediately accident or shortly thereafter. It's easy to forget what happens over time. Take pictures or video of the accident if someone else has not done so, and draw a diagram if possible. Keep copies of all medical records and bills, or make notes of the providers, doctors, hospitals, and so forth that you've gone to. If you've missed work, be sure to keep a log of the days that you've missed and how much money that you actually lost as a result of missing those days. It's important also, if you are paid on a commission basis, that you note how much in commissions that you estimate that you lost. Again, it's important to note that the more information that you have regarding your case, the better off you will be.